Hey folks, we're heading to a photo competition right now over at a place called Park Winters in Winters, California. Very cool spot. I got the Ray-Bans with me. We're going to take these along. I've wanted to use these for kind of behind the scenes type shooting. Let's do this. These are the headliners. This is a very kind of thick rimmed glasses. Not really my style, but these things are really cool. I've definitely been digging using these Ray-Bans a lot over the last week. Just for that first person point of view, you really cannot beat these things, and the microphone sounds great on them. Let's get on the road. We're already a little late, and we'll head on over to Park Winters. Some nice clouds. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. I got the drone, gonna do some time-lapsing. This is gonna be a winner. So I have these connected to my iPhone right now, and as I'm driving, I'm getting all my notifications for when to turn, what's coming up, my little Waze person talking to me, all coming through the speakers, through Bluetooth. And it's a very pleasant sound, actually. It feels like the sound is all around you. It's like this ambient, lo-fi type sound. Hard to describe, but it is enjoyable. I like it. Alright, so we're pulling up to Park Winters, and it just started raining again, but the sun is out. So we're gonna be getting a nice dousing. We'll get some puddles. Everything's gonna look really shiny, I bet. And then we're gonna pop the drone up and get these amazing clouds. We're gonna be doing some vertical panoramas, really covering this whole spot. This Park Winters, this is an event space for weddings and other things like that. It's just this huge, amazing spot. So this is gonna look really nice, capturing that whole thing. Here we go, this is it. All right, that's good. We got some yellow trees already. I was hoping this whole street would be turning orange and yellow. Oh yeah, look at this. We got some nice color going on. Yes, this is the spot. Alright, let's get a parking spot and check it out. Ooh, what do we got over here? Let's go. Wow, look at all those orange flowers down there. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, it's looking good. Been rocking these new Peak Design camera cubes. We got medium, extra small, and small. Small is going to have the drone for now. Extra small is kind of my new camera sling. I brought my old film camera, some snacks, battery, just kind of all your extra little doodads. And then in the medium, this is where I'm keeping my big boy, the S1H. Let's go just kind of take a walk around first, and we've got 2 hours here, so let's kind of scope it out, see what we're working with. I'll take this little guy with me. Let's do this. Alright, so we're back. We've been filming for about an hour, and the glasses need to be charged up. You do have a little bit of time. You need to be aware that the battery is, you know, where's the battery? It's some little tiny, puny battery inside the earpiece, so they do go dead pretty fast, but you just pop them in this case. Kind of a bummer when you can't take any more shots. I'm gonna get the drone up in a little bit. So far, so good. Got a bunch of shots with the S1H. I think we're done for the day with that. We're gonna throw the drone up in the air with our last couple shots. I actually really enjoy this new Peak Design small size for the drone. I was using the extra small. It's just a little too cramped in there. So this gives me plenty of space. I got all my propellers, all my other junk. I got room for snacks. So I think this small size for your drone, this would fit the Mavic as well. You have this strap goes all the way around. You got waterproof zippers. They just really refined this and made it a really good camera cube. This one's 60 bucks. The extra small, 50 bucks. And this is gonna last you a lifetime, so good deal. Let's get this little guy up in the air. This is the Mini 3 Pro. There's already a Mini 4 Pro, which better camera, better everything, but you know what? I love this little guy. This gives me everything I need. I've already had a few gigs that have paid this thing off. That's how I do it. Just started sprinkling again. Brought the drone back in. I think we got all the shots we need. It's 1:06. I've been here for 2 hours. That's my allotted slot time. The Ray-Bans died again. You can kind of see how much use you're getting out of these. I think the idea is just to pull them out when you want to take some clips, because they definitely don't last all day long. I don't see how you could just be wearing these all day and keep the battery going unless you're just not taking video and photos the whole time. Maybe you're just using these for phone calls, stuff like that. I think they're a great little device for getting this kind of behind the scenes stuff. You know, just your little memory helper. When I'm 80, 70 years old and I can go and look at this footage where I'm walking around, going to plant sales, walking around under the oak trees, you know, before they all burn down. I'm going to be watching this stuff when I'm 70, 80 years old. This is all I'm going to watch. Just me, young again, walking around, first person view, my hands moving, touching stuff, taking photos. It's pretty sweet. So let's pack everything up, call it a day.